So today I'm going to be doing this look, which is inspired by the look Ariana Grande did in her video for I Won't Say I'm in Love for the Disney sing-along on ABC. I did the best that I could and I think it is pretty similar. But yeah, if you want to see how I got this look, just keep watching. So to start the base of the makeup, I'm going to apply my Ordinary primer, the silicone adherence one, and the Tarte Mermaid Skin Hyaluronic Acid. And I'm going to mix these together. Put them on my face. Next, I always use this, but Ariana doesn't have big dark circles like me, so we're going to use the Urban Decay Naked Skin Colour Corrector Fluid. Beautiful. So for foundation, I'm going to use the, what's it called? Revolution Conceal and Define Full Coverage Foundation in F2. I really need to invest in the hydrate version of this because this does dry my skin out sometimes and can, not cake, but pull apart. Oh my god, this does not work. It's fun fact, I was going to put my Ariana pony in, but I sort of ruined the long one. When I did my Rapunzel look, because I put it back in the bag, braided, and destroyed it. And it also doesn't clip onto my hair properly, so we've had to make our own Ariana Grande ponytail. And my Maya ponytail, which I would usually use, is destroyed from a night out, and I forgot that I shoved it back in the bag like the way I did. Ooh. My forehead looks so much bigger when I've got my hair tied up. So now I'm going to use the Born This Way concealer in the shade Marshmallow, which is slightly lighter than this foundation, I believe. I've not tested that out. Like that. And we're going to move on to the eyebrows while that sets a little bit. Hers is really light. I'm just going to follow my natural brow because it is quite straight, similar to Ariana's. Like, there's not much arch. And I'm going to blend the concealer in. And I'm going to set that with powder. This is the Rimmel Stay Matte Powder. Definitely forgot to mention I used the Benefit Brow Pencil in precisely my brow in shade 4. Next, we are going to bronze. I'm going to use my butter bronzer like always. Actually, no. We're going to use the Revolution Ultra Bronze bronzer, just switch it up a bit. I'm going to heavily apply it to the hairline as well. Done. Next we're going to apply blush. She does look to have a teeny tiny bit of blush just on the apple of her cheek, like here, but literally like just there. So I'm going to take this Ted Baker blush, and it's like this deep pinkish colour, And I'm just gonna apply a little bit. Next, we shall move on to the eyes. So, the images oh my gosh, look at these pieces. These really need sticking down. So I watched the music video and I screenshotted some images where she had her eyes closed, or like the makeup was easy to see and you could see clearly from each angle what it looked like. But I don't know if it was the lighting in her video or the lighting on my phone that changed while I was screenshotting, because on some of them it looks like a bronzy brownie colour, and others it looks like the slightly purple hued soft metallic bronzy pinkish shimmery colour. So we're going to go with the purple-y-ish version, mainly because she was Megara, so I feel like she would have done more purple colours. So we're going to use the Huda Beauty Nude palette. This is all I could find to do this. And I'm going to start by taking this shade, which is Secret, just all over the lid. I'm going to take a fluffy brush to do that. I'm going to complete this eye and then I'm going to come back and show you what I'm going to do with the rest, because I am just going to use 1 or 2 brushes and I need to change colour and I can't do that without having this eye done. So I'll be right back. Okay, so for this eye, well, first I applied, like I said before, the shade Secret just all over, and now I'm going to go in with the shade Tease, which is this purplish brownish. Close to my finger, and I'm just going to apply it in the outer corner. Like this. And then going to apply, what did I do? I applied the shade Daydream using some setting spray and a fluffy brush just to get that metallic effect she had. It's not the exact colour, I don't have, like this seems to have more of a pink sheen to it. But it's what looks the closest. And it just gives the metallic effect that she has off. I think I put too much on the other eye, to be fair. And then we're going to do the eyeliner. This took a long time, and when I got this, it's not even, but that's because my eyes are slightly hooded, so I sort of had to go with it. For the eyeliner, I used this gel liner by Maybelline, the Lasting Drama Gel Eyeliner in black, but I also used the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara because I found this gave me a sharper point, and then I went over it with this to matten it because hers is a lot softer. So let's see how far I get with this before I get frustrated and move on to the liquid liner. But first I'm gonna do this line. What's it called? So I'm taking an angled brush. This is by Benefit. And I'm just going to look straight ahead. Oh, this isn't working. So Kim's getting frustrated and she moves on to the liquid liner, and I'll go over it with the gel in a bit. Okay, this eye is a lot less hooded than the other eye. So now I'm going to do mascara. I'm going to use this mascara tester by Charlotte Tilbury. It is their Full Fat Lashes mascara. So I'm going to try that. So the fun part, she has little diamonds under the eyes, as you can see here. She has 5 scattered across the eyes, so I'm going to do that. And to do that, I'm going to stick them on using lash glue, and like it's a nail art pen, but it comes with little diamonds in the bottom. So I'm just using those. Then I'm going to apply mascara to the bottom lashes. Now we're going to apply highlight. I'm going to use the Ofra Nicki Tutorials collab in Glazed Donut. And Ariana is glowing in this video, so... Also applying some to the inner corner. And I'm going to apply the iconic London lip gloss in the shade Peekaboo on top. That is my finished Ariana Grande I Won't Say I'm in Love Disney sing-along makeup tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I tried my best with what I had and what I could see in the video. And I think it turned out really cute and really pretty, and it's very classic Ariana. Yeah. Don't forget to like this video and comment down below if there are any celebrity makeup looks you want me to do, and who your favourite celebrity is at the moment. I want to know. Follow me on my social medias, and that's it. I love you guys. Bye. Thank you.